Hello friends, good to see y'all again. We got another one of those problems. I am so glad you came to see me. You know, I missed you since the last time. I think the last time I talked to you, we probably talked about order of operations and how to do that with fractions and how much of a pain it is that they give us problems that not only have order of operations but have fractions in the same stinking problem. But that's okay, because we are up to the challenge. You remember your order of operations. We won't go through those again. Let's go right on into them and work in this problem. Remember, first, in the order of operations, we're going to work inside parentheses. So my first order of business is to add 2/5 and 7/15. Now please, please, please don't think that that is like 9/20. No, 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 no. We got a lot of work to do. We can't just add the top and add the bottom. You know better. All right, so let's go to the side, do a little side work over here. 2/5 plus 7/15. We know when we add fractions, Welch loves column form for adding fractions. So there it is, column form, reset. Gotta find that magic number called the least common denominator. What do you think it is for 5 and 15? Oh, you got it. I saw you. Yes, 15. 15. Now, in this problem, the 15 stayed a 15 on the bottom, so the 7 will stay a 7 on the top. Now, this 5, it had to get multiplied by a 3. You know that, to get a 15. So the top times a 3 is a 6. Now, we're adding, so we got 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13 over 15. So the answer to this piece of the problem is 13 over 15. Now bring down the divided by, bring down the 5/3. Alrighty then. So first we worked inside the parentheses. Next we're looking for exponents. No exponents. Next we're looking for multiplication and division from left to right. I see division. In fact, that's the only thing we do have is division. So now what we need to do is do our fraction division. Now you remember when we divide fractions we actually can't do the division of fractions. What we do is this little trick. We change the division symbol to multiplication, and then we take the reciprocal of the number behind the division symbol, the second number, we flip it. If you take the reciprocal, that means you flip it over. So in other words, division really changes to multiplication by the reciprocal of the second number. So we just flipped it over. There we go. And now we leave this first number the same. So 5/3 divided by 13/15 can be worked out best as 5/3 times 15/13. All right, now as a traditional multiplication problem, we're looking for simplifying the problem by cross-canceling. We do know that we can cross-cancel that 3 with that 15. Okay? So 3 goes into 3 one time, 3 goes into 15 5 times. Now, I don't see anything else in this problem that we can cancel out. So let's go ahead and multiply now. 5 times 5 is 25. 1 times 13 is 13. And so we have 25/13 as an answer. Now, of course, you know that's an improper fraction. Now, it is a simplified improper fraction. There's nothing that goes into 25 that also goes into 13, so you can't simplify it. If you want it to be changed to a mixed number, you can, if the problem calls for it to be changed to a mixed number. Some of these problems don't call for the answer to be changed to a mixed number. They just call for them to be simplified. This is a fine, simplified, improper fraction. But if we wanted to change it to a mixed number, we would take our 13, divide it into our 25. Now that goes one time. 1 times 13 is 13. We get 12 left over. So 1 and 12/13. So you have two versions of your answer. You have the improper fraction version that's simplified. You have the mixed number version that's simplified. Both are really, really good answers. If the computer is asking you for the mixed number version, do this extra step. If it's not asking for that, you could probably stop right here and be just fine. All right? I think we're done. Well, that didn't hurt too bad. That was pretty cool. All right. Well, I will look forward to seeing you next time.